So guys, today we're gonna teach you how to make a safe zone in Rec Room. But this is actually not Rec Room, this is actually Stella instead. Now what we're gonna have to do is that obviously we're gonna have to make an AI and we're gonna make a spawner component. And I also teach the guys before recording each other down. I made a video how to make an AI, so you guys can check that out. Okay, right here. So spawner component v1. So it's somewhere around here, right here. Now we can just close this. There we go. Now obviously we put it right here. Then we have to go to our tools menu, and then we gotta configure this crap so you can get to see what you need. Now we gotta set the object. So now there's all of this that we can use and all of that. Now we could use that, but the only way how to get this thing working is that we're obviously gonna need some. But also go to your other palette and go to select the map you made. Now when you go back, you should see somewhere. And then you see this right here. So go to nav mesh generation mode. You see this right here, and you gotta press ignore. But if you just use block instead, the whatever you're gonna need is that it's just gonna be standing there all the time. So press ignore, and now when you're done, it should. Now when the AI gets close to the area, it's gonna get ignored because obviously this is gonna be the safe zone. So there so yeah, this is environment. Now pretty much now I don't know, but we can also, if you're just gonna need more things, then just yeah. So when you go to the nav mesh settings, just go to there and yeah. Now you can't see it obviously. Now obviously this monster needs to get moving because unfortunately without the AI. Now it's not an AI yet, but we also need to go to this room, go to our settings, and then we gotta go all the way down, and then it says now you need to press show nav mesh, and then there for some reason. But you also are gonna need a trigger volume for the AI because without it, it won't work. Yeah, nav mesh. But we can also scale it to make it bigger if you really want it that way, because there might be some. And also, now we got this working. So we're obviously gonna need a trigger volume for this. Now, you gotta obviously open your palette, go over here, and now just press trigger volume. Trigger volume, yes, right here, and you're gonna need to get the V1 legacy right there. So now what you can do, just press this, and now just send now just make the trigger volume how big as the map is, because you need to know. So you obviously need to make the trigger volume how big your map is, because without it then it's not gonna work. Alright, so there. Now you're obviously gonna wire this or connect. Okay, jump over this because we're not gonna need it. When entering zone, let's see. Yeah, first do this, start spawning, and then. Oh shoot! Oh, well, that is. Well, this monster doesn't walk, but it's okay. It's okay. So yeah. So thank you guys. So there. Now, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.